Hello friends, welcome to Let's Study. I am Aniruddha Mondal. Today in this video we will discuss the voice change of interrogative sentence part 2. We will discuss part 2. In my previous videos I have already discussed the voice change of yes no type questions. Today, I will discuss the voice change of WH type questions. You know, interrogative sentence is divided into two types. Number one, WH type questions. Number two, yes or no type questions. So, I have already discussed the yes no type question and their voice change. Today, I will discuss the WH type questions and how to change the voice of these questions. Let's start. The interrogative sentence or WH question starting with WH words are changed into passive voice through the following steps. So, interrogative sentence থেকে বা WH কোয়েশ্চেন যুক্ত যে বাক্যগুলি আছে তার প্যাসিভ ভয়েস করতে গেলে you have to follow these steps. So, here in number 1, step number 1, what is said? লক্ষ্য করো, hide or remove the WH words during changing into passive voice. So, বলা হয়েছে যে প্রথমে যে WH কোয়েশ্চনটি আছে সেটিকে সরিয়ে রাখা দরকার. So you have to remove the WH question first if you want to change the voice passive form, if you want to make the passive form of these type of questions. So at first you have to hide the WH question. If you are a beginner, then you have to follow these rules. So for the beginner, it is for the beginner. In step number 2, what is said? Make the yes or no type question form. So by removing the WH question, you have to, by removing the WH word first, you have to make it the yes no type question form. Next, in step number 3, what is said? Change into passive form according to general rule. So after making it yes or no type question, you have to change the sentence into passive voice through the general rules and according to the tense. In step number 4, what is said? Then make question by putting the auxiliary first. So you have to put the auxiliary first to make a question of yes no type sentence. So here I am giving an example for your understanding. Am I not good? So it is an example of yes no type WH question, yes no type question. So here the auxiliary verb am has been placed here at the start of the sentence. So what is said in step number 5? In step number 5 it is said add the hidden WH word at the start. So what you have removed, the WH word you have removed this. Now you have to bring back the WH word in order to make the passive voice correctly. So let's take some example for our better understanding to understand the fact. So here I have taken an example of WH question. So why does she learn English? It is a WH question. Because here the WH word start the sentence. So you have what I have told in the rule in step number 1 or 2. I have said you that you have to remove the WH question first. Thereby you have to make it an assertive sentence. That is, you have to make it yes no type question at first. So what will be the yes no type question of this sentence? If you remove this WH word, then it will be the yes no type question form of this interrogative sentence. So does she learn English? It is the yes no type question form of this sentence. So what you have to do, you have to make it assertive of the interrogative sentence. This interrogative sentence you have to make it assertive first. So she learns English. Here it is the assertive form of this interrogative sentence, because here the verb does is doing the task of an auxiliary verb. So this is the assertive form. She learns English, because here does has been used to show the singular verb. So this is the assertive form. She learns English. So what will be the passive form of this sentence? English is learnt by her. So this sentence, the passive form of this sentence will be in this way according to the general rule. So English is learnt by her. English is the object. Here it has been placed as a subject plus be verb plus verb 3 plus by plus her. That is, the subject of the active sentence had changed into her. That is object. So what will be the yes no type interrogative form of this sentence? Is English learnt by her? তাহলে এই সেন্টেন্সটি মূলত ছিল আমার ইয়েস নো টাইপ কোশ্চেনে। তাহলে এই ইয়েস নো টাইপ কোশ্চেনের প্যাসিভ ভয়েস হচ্ছে এটি, ইজ ইংলিশ লার্নড বাই হার। সো হোয়াট উইল বি the actual passive form of this sentence that you have to do? So you have to do why is English learnt by her. This is the passive form of this interrogative sentence. So if you are a beginner, then you have to do these steps, and if you have already done the voice, or if you have enough skill, then don't need to do these forms. So let's take another example. Why did she punish you? So what will be the assertive form of this sentence? She punished you. The passive voice of this sentence will be in this way: you are punished by her. And what will be the interrogative form of this sentence? Were you punished by her? And thereby you have to just place the WH word before this auxiliary verb. So come to the next slide, and here I have taken some more examples. You can see it and you can write it in your copy. So here, why are you selling ice cream? This is the WH question form. And what will be its yes no type question? Are you selling ice cream? It will be the yes no type question. And what will be the assertive form of this sentence? Are you selling ice cream? So are you selling ice cream? Are you selling ice cream? This will be the yes no type question form. And what will be the passive form of this sentence? So what will be the assertive form? You are selling ice cream. Then you have to change it into passive form. So ice cream is being sold by you. The sentence is in present continuous. That's why you have to change it according to the rule of the present continuous tense, which I have already discussed. Then you have to make it passive of the interrogative sentence, yes no type question. Is ice cream being sold by you? This will be the question form. And what will be the passive voice, actual passive voice? Why is ice cream being sold by you? Just you have to put the WH word first, then this sentence. This whole sentence you have to put thereafter. So come to the next slide. How did you kill the bird? This is an WH question form. And what will be the assertive sentence of this sentence? You killed the bird. This will be the assertive sentence because here it is in the past tense. That's why the assertive sentence will be in the past tense here. That's why the verb has been changed into killed. The root form of the verb is kill, you know. So what will be the passive form of this sentence? The bird was killed by you. It will be the passive form of the sentence. The sentence is in the past tense, simple past. That's why you have to change it according to the rule of the simple past tense. And what will be the passive form of the interrogative? যদি কোয়েশ্চেন করা হয় এই বাক্যটিকে তাহলে এর প্যাসিভ ফর্ম কেমন হয়? ওয়াজ দ্য বার্ড কিল্ড বাই ইউ? জাস্ট এই অক্সিলিয়ারিটা এখানে বসবে in the first start of the sentence. So what will be the passive form of this sentence? How was the bird killed by you? Just you have to put this WH question, WH word at the start of the sentence. Next, come to the next slide. So here I have taken some more example and you can see it and you can understand the change of the voice. So come to the next slide. So if in the conclusion, if we say what will be the structure of the interrogative sentence. The passive active structure of the interrogative sentence will be in this way: WH word at the first place, then the auxiliary verb plus subject plus verb plus object. It is the active voice structure of the interrogative sentence. And what will be the passive form of this sentence, interrogative sentence, that is WH questions? So what will be the passive form? At first you have to place the WH word, then the auxiliary verb, then subject, then the third form of the verb, that is past participle of the verb, plus by plus agent, that is the subject of the interrogative sentence, the active voice. So here you can look the example. So what does she eat? What will be the passive form of this sentence? So this interrogative sentence will be changed in this way to the passive form. So what will be the passive form of this sentence? What is eaten by her? So হোয়াট যুক্ত যে সেন্টেন্সগুলি আছে সেগুলির ভয়েস চেঞ্জ কেমন হয় লক্ষ্য করো। So here I have taken an example and I am going to explain it. So হোয়াটের জায়গায় তুমি সামথিং ধরতে পারো। সো এটার যদি অ্যাসার্টিভ ফর্ম আমাকে করতে হয়, সো হোয়াট উইল বি দ্য অ্যাসার্টিভ ফর্ম অফ দিস সেন্টেন্স? লক্ষ্য করো, she eats something. She eats something. It will be the assertive form of this sentence, interrogative sentence. So here it will be eats because here I have used does. So this will be the assertive form. She eats something. Now you have to change the voice of this sentence. So what will be the voice of this sentence? Passive form. It will be the passive form of this sentence, that is something. Something is eaten by you. Something is eaten by you. So this will be the passive form of this assertive sentence. Now যেহেতু কোয়েশ্চেনটি তোমাকে বলা হয়েছে ইন্টারোগেটিভ সেন্টেন্সে, ইউ হ্যাভ টু চেঞ্জ ইট ইন্টু ইন্টারোগেটিভ সেন্টেন্স। দ্য প্যাসিভ ফর্ম অফ দিস সেন্টেন্স উইল বি ইন দ্য ইন্টারোগেটিভ ফর্ম। সো হোয়াট উইল বি দ্য প্যাসিভ ফর্ম? লক্ষ্য করো। সো আমি কি বলেছিলাম? আই হ্যাভ গেস্ট সামথিং ইন প্লেস অফ হোয়াট। হোয়াটের জায়গায় আমি কি নিয়েছিলাম? সামথিংকে নিয়েছিলাম। You have to remove something. You have to remove something, and in place of something you have to put just the WH word, that is what. So something is eaten by her. Something is eaten by her. It will be the passive form of the assertive sentence. Now what you have to do? You have to do, just you have to remove this something, and in place of something you have to put the WH word, that is what. So what is eaten by her? Just you have to make it interrogative by this sign. So come to the next slide. Here I have given the structure of the of the interrogative sentence, দ্যাট ইজ হোয়াট যুক্ত যে ইন্টারোগেটিভ সেন্টেন্সগুলি আছে সেগুলি স্ট্রাকচার প্যাসিভ ভয়েসে এরকম হয়। কাম টু দ্য নেক্সট স্লাইড। দ্য ইন্টারোগেটিভ সেন্টেন্সেস হুইচ বিগিনস উইথ হু, লক্ষ্য করো এই সেন্টেন্সগুলির প্যাসিভ ভয়েসটি। সো স্ট্রাকচার কেমন হয়, হু যুক্ত যে সেন্টেন্সগুলি আছে তার স্ট্রাকচার কেমন হয়। সো হু ইন অ্যাক্টিভ ভয়েস বিকামস বাই হুম ইন প্যাসিভ ভয়েস। সো হুকে বাই হুমে পরিবর্তিত করা হয় প্যাসিভ ভয়েসে। সো স্ট্রাকচার কেমন হয় এর, you have to place by whom first, then the auxiliary verb, then subject, then verb 3, then you have to put the interrogative sign, the interrogative mark. So let's take an example. So here I have given an example. So who taught her Bengali? So what will be the passive form of this active sentence? So by whom was she taught Bengali? So you have to place by whom at first plus auxiliary plus subject plus the past participle of the verb, that is taught, plus you have to put the object. So come to the next slide. হুইচ যুক্ত যে সেন্টেন্সগুলি আছে তার ভয়েস চেঞ্জ লক্ষ্য করো। আর in active voices, if there is whom, then it will be who in passive voice. So look at these sentences and you can understand it in a better way. So whom did you like most? What will be the passive form of this sentence, interrogative sentence? So it will be the passive form of this interrogative sentence, that is who is liked most by you. whom থেকে কি হবে, who. So whom is changed into who. Sorry, here it will be was. It will be was. যেহেতু আমার ভার্বটি পাস্ট টেন্সে আছে সেই জন্য এটি instead of is it will be was. Who was liked most by you? Come to the next example. Which girl loves Mr. B? So what will be the passive form? By which girl is Mr. B loved? This will be the passive form of this active sentence, and you can do another, that is which girl is Mr. B loved. Both are equally right. Come to the next slide. So here we have to finish for today, and if you want to download this PDF, I will share it in my Telegram channel, and you can search my Telegram channel according to the name of this channel. So if you like the way of my teaching, then you can hit the like button and share it and subscribe. So bye bye. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you, friends.